Yep.
Wanna watch you go by then?
Yeah.
Hit the gas. Very nice, perfect running engine, no ticks, knocks, completely redone, painted under the fender wells, everything painted, the whole chassis is done, Loadmaster exhaust, truck is ready. All you gotta do is turn, key, and go. It's got the Rhino liner in it, professionally done. There's no rust anywhere. It's been ultra fined and buffed, wet sand and buffed. Got the chrome wheels, rallies, I guess the regular truck rallies. Can't get a good picture of the underside, but it's all completely restored. Oh, yeah. And interior, new seat, new dash pad, new headliner, everything in it. New carpet. Yeah, all the gauges work. Almost out of gas. Has a nice stereo in it that looks fake. Looks like an old-timey stereo, but it's a new one with digital. Door panels. And that's about it.